Eric here with another video to another magic. We'll be doing another magic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to do a impromptu lie detector card trick, and we're starting right now. Okay guys, so this is the performance for the trick. It's completely impromptu, it's really easy to do, and also before we do the performance, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and stick around for the tutorial since I'll be teaching you guys how to do this. Alright, so let's get started with the trick. I'll shuffle the deck once and show you guys that it's all shuffled. So, as you can see, they're all shuffled in no particular order. And now, I'll shuffle it again just for good measure. Alright, let's see. Alright, so now that they're all shuffled, and you guys saw that they were all shuffled, no really setup, I'm going to have you pick a card, really any card. Show it to yourself, remember it, and show it to the viewers. Okay, and now I'll just be putting it somewhere in the middle. And now all I'm gonna do is I'm really only gonna do like a kind of thing where I'm gonna ask you a question. It's kind of like a lie detector trick. So I'm gonna be flipping over a card, and I want you to tell me if that card is yours. You have to say that's it to everyone, even if it's not your card. I'm gonna try and detect whether it was your card or not. All right, so the first card.
Yes.
No, I don't think so. What about the second card? Let's see. Hold on. Oops.
Yes.
That was about the same as the first one. It didn't really seem that good. I don't think so. I don't think so. What about the third one?
Yes.
They were all the same, Mom. You lied 3 times. Well, I was lying kind of too, because, you know, I actually knew where your card was the whole time. I controlled it to the top, 10 of spades. Yeah?
No.
What? But, like, come on. And there are 3 lies. It wasn't this one or this one, and it definitely was not this one. So how could it have not been that? Okay, guys, so if you want to see this tutorial, be sure to like right now, and I'll show you guys right now. Okay, so basically this tutorial, they can have a completely free choice. You can have them pick like this card, random 10 of hearts, say. Then you have them, we're just looking at it, but you wouldn't look at it in the real performance. Then you're gonna do a move called the Marlowe's Tilt. It's basically, when you turn around, you're gonna do this. So basically you're putting a ring finger break on just the first card, and then to kind of bend it and insert it. It really looks like it's in the middle, right? And then you have to do that part really quickly, because otherwise they can notice. And then what you want to do, you want to riffle down 2 cards here, but you're not going to show them that. You're going to go like really discreet while you're talking to them about the rules of the lie detector. And then you're going to swing cut this half, or really any amount of cards as long as it's more than 3. Don't show them what I just did like that. Don't show them that. Then what you're going to do, you're going to flip over this card, and you're going to say that's it to every card as you would have explained already. And then once they say that's it, you're going to be like, no. Be sure to put this deck over here just to get that ingrained in their memory, and then put it out on the table. And go for the second one, they say, that's it. And you go, I really don't think so. Even though you already know that 10 of hearts is their card, and then once you're here, you're going to drop those 2 cards. So now you're going to put a completely different card over there. And now what you're going to do, all you're going to do is just flip over the last card. They're going to say, that's it. But you're going to say, no, I don't think so. And then what you're going to do, you're going to turn this back to the top. And then you're going to say, those are all lies. But you aren't a really great liar. I saw through them all. And then you're going to say like, but I was lying too. I actually knew what your card was the whole time. Then you're going to prepare a double lift here. You're going to prepare a double lift and lift over the second to top card, even though the top card is theirs. So you're not showing them their card. You're like, wait, no, that's not my card, right? And then they flip it over, and then you take the top card, and the trick is already done. You can set the rest of the deck aside. Don't show them this yet. And then you're gonna be like, wait, that can't be right, because that's not your card, and that's definitely not your card, and that is definitely not your card, 100%. And you flip over that card. They're gonna be shocked at this, because that card just magically changed. And then all you have to do is just flip over this card. That was your card. You were lying again. So yeah, that's pretty much the trick. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell for future tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.